San Diego State University researchers have created a new interactive web app to analyze the Twitter buzz surrounding the top 4 candidates vying to become the city's next mayor. Here with more on how it works is one of the app's developers, SDSU geography professor Ming So. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Now, Professor So, what got you interested in creating this app called The Election Path?
Yeah, I think the original idea is that we as a human being, we communicate today a lot using our mobile phone, using the social media. And we want to see the reaction between the real world event correlated to your social media communication. I think the election is a way to justify or verify the result. So that's the idea to create this election path.
Does the explain to us how the election path track works as far as how it tracks San Diego's mayor's race. We're going to put it up on the screen here, and if you could describe to us what we're looking at and how it actually works.
Yeah, so what we did is we're using the Twitter, using the API, and then only targeting in the San Diego region. So because we concern the election, we don't need people from outside New York, other people.
Correct.
So we are geo-targeting in San Diego. We collect the social media mention for each candidate in the daily base, and then compare the intensity rate.
And then if this were to scroll down, what are we going to see on the bottom of this page?
Yeah, if you scroll down, we collect the data actually 1 month ago. So you see all the 4 candidates, their daily mention, the change actually is corresponding to how popular or the attention rate in each candidate.
And you collected this data. You've been collecting it for a month.
Yes.
But you collect the data in real time, and in each day that's sort of conjugated?
Yes, but I think 1 week ago, we finished this final product, so people can easily to use this analytic to retrieve the detailed information every day.
Every single day. Is your goal with this app to predict a winner?
Well, some people may think that's one possibility, but I think the real purpose is to model human behavior. So if you see the diagram, you see that you can see every single day how many people are interested in each individual candidate. But also if you see the spectrum, you see on every Sunday, you get the lowest number of tweets. So people don't like to tweet on Sunday.
Okay.
So the Monday is the biggest number of tweets. So you actually is not only model which candidate is more likely to be win, but also model everyone's human behavior.
Their behavior, I see. Based on today's real-time data that's coming in through this, who would win?
I think the data we have show is yesterday information. But in yesterday, Kevin actually have a win almost double to other candidate.
Kevin Faulconer.
Yes. So
now, let me ask you about that, though. Could it just be that Kevin Faulconer people tweet more than, let's say, David Alvarez people?
Yeah, I think this is a research we call the data science. So one very important component is we filter out the error message or clean the data. So what we did is we removed all the tweets from their campaign manager, their own people.
I see.
So we only see the outside people mention that candidate. There's always an error, but this is like a predicting weather. We want to make sure how to improve the data model to match the real world event.
No, I know that you've used and developed similar applications to track the flu virus and also in the presidential election of 2012. How accurate were those apps in tracking and predictions?
Yeah, I think last year we did analyzing the presidential campaign election. When we emphasizing on the Florida campaign, we did predict Obama will win that Florida state by only like a 10 Twitter account.
Really?
Yes, so I was shocked.
So a very small sample size actually had an accurate prediction.
Yeah, and we predicted 50%.
Okay. How do you think that this type of social media analysis might replace more traditional pollings or practices?
Yeah, I think in the short run, it will provide additional information. I mean, major polls still have their value. But I think in the long run, when the people more and more involved with the social media, the information we collect from the social media is more representative, then the value will become bigger and bigger and more popular.
Okay, so exponential growth expected. Well, I want to let folks know they can check out the Election Path app on our website, kpbs.org. Professor Ming So, thank you.
Okay, thank you.